Where's this from? Chicago. And who sent this to you?
Dad, Grandpa.
Dad, Grandma, and Grandpa.
Open it.
Okay, we're opening it. You want to open that side?
Dad. Whoa.
Whoa.
Big.
What is it? Oh, Jude. I think we need to dump these into something.
Oh, do Mama.
Wow, she did a really good job.
Jude, look!
Look at that! You know what that is?
The Mama. Open the
The train. It's a gingerbread house. Wow.
Open the Thomas.
Okay, open the Thomas. Let's see how we open it. Shrink that. Wow.
Thomas.
Maybe we should put it on the table, huh?
Open the
I'd cut it with a knife. Don't even try doing that.
Oh, Jude, look. Take a look.
Let's go over here.
Take a look.
Let's go over to the table. Okay, come on. Let's go open it up.
Yeah. Oh,
We
Jude.
can do it right there.
Open.
Let me get a knife.
Open.
Go. Wow.
Open Thomas.
Open Thomas.
It looks like Thomas Train, doesn't it?
It is. Okay, here. See?
That. Open that.
See, it's stuck. We just look at it with our eyes for now.
So open that.
Wow. You know what this is?
This is so cool.
This is so cool. It's a gingerbread house.
Choo choo. Oh, yeah. Whoa.
Look at how cool this is.
Cool. Cool, cool, choo choo.
Cool, cool, choo-choo. It is. Oh.
What's he going for now?
Whoa.
Destroyed.
Big.
Wow.
Do you like the house, Jude?
The pussy, right?
The
Percy, yeah.
The Percy by the train.
Is that the train station, Jude? Is that Percy's house?
Look, who's that?
Santa.
That's Frosty the Snowman. I wonder where there's Santa. There's Santa.
Look at those choo-choos.
There's Santa.
Oh, big caboose.
Oh, Mommy wants
Show Daddy. Show Daddy that caboose.
Oh, big caboose. Big caboose.
Light it.
Oh, whoa, big. Oh, the car.
Thank you, Grandma.
Thank you, Grandma.
You gonna say thank you, Grandma, Jude?
Thank you, Grandma.
Hey, Jude. Jude, look here. Say thank you, Grandma.
Thank you, Grandma. Look, it lit up.
That car. That car. Oh, whoa, big caboose. Big caboose.
Jude, can you say thank you, Grandma?
Oh, yeah, caboose.
Say thank you, Grandma. Thank you, Grandma.
Papa.
And Grandpa.
Grandma. Thank you, Grandma.
Thank you, Grandma.
Oh, big name.
That's a cool house with Thomas Train.
The gate.
It's beautiful.
The gate.
It's a gate. Yeah, that's a fence.
Jude, how did Grandma know that you like Percy and Thomas?
And Thomas.
Should we put it back on there?
No, caboose. No. Oh, big caboose. Big caboose.
Yeah, you get to play with it. Yeah, I think we have to clean them off though. That stuff is blue. Wow.
Say thank you, Grandma.
Defense.
I'm trying, Mom. Say hi, Grandma.
Hi, Grandma.
The car.
Jude, look. Look here.
The car.
I guess not. We're too excited about Thomas.